Welcome to the Explainer Supplement for episode 68 of Vibrations and Manifestations. We are starting with a challenge to your current routine. The daily gratitude practice you use to move forward might actually be the reason you feel stuck. Most practitioners operate in maintenance mode. When you repeatedly offer thanks for a job that drains you or a situation that feels stagnant, your brain registers those circumstances as the target state. The ground beneath your feet solidifies, locking you into the very reality you are trying to change. Over the next few minutes, we will walk through a 5-step method to break that cycle. You will learn to rewrite 3 stagnant statements into future-focused magnets designed to pull you forward. Grab a pen and paper. Before we begin the exercise, identify one specific area of your life where you feel stalled or unable to make progress. Every gratitude statement functions as a line of code for your personal timeline. Today, we are going to rewrite that code. Manifestation depends on vibrational alignment, matching your internal state to your desired outcome. Appreciating only what currently exists holds your energy at a static, maintenance-level frequency, essentially asking the universe for more of the same. This aligns with a concept in neuroscience called the prospective brain. Research shows that the human brain uses the identical neural networks to recall the past as it does to imagine the future. To your hippocampus and prefrontal cortex, a vivid projection is indistinguishable from a memory. This biological mechanism is driven by dopamine. Studies show the brain releases a higher chemical spike during anticipation than actual receipt. This surge triggers the expectation effect. When your brain expects a positive outcome, it heightens your cognitive perception. You begin to notice opportunities, resources, and connections that your mind previously filtered out as irrelevant to your survival. Whether you use the language of spiritual attraction or neuroplasticity, the result is the same. Shifting your gratitude to the future rewires your nervous system to treat your desired outcome as an inevitability. So we begin with step 1, identify. Look at your current gratitude list and find the gratitude glue, the statements that feel heavy, forced, or focused entirely on survival. A common example is, "I'm grateful I can just pay my bills." This statement tells your brain that just enough is the permanent goal. Step 2 is reframe. You must rewrite the statement in the present tense, but shift the focus to future expansion. We cross out that survival-based phrase and replace it with, "Thank you for the financial abundance arriving with ease." This simple shift changes your mental orientation. You are moving from a state of resignation to one of active anticipation, which opens the psychological space for new timelines to emerge. Step 3 is amplify. Read your new statement aloud. Close your eyes and visualize a golden light in your chest. The goal is to generate actual physical warmth and emotional appreciation for the statement. This process utilizes the brain's inability to distinguish between a felt internal emotion and a real physical event. By experiencing the gratitude before the outcome arrives, you are training your nervous system to operate from a state of arrival rather than lack. Because feelings are temporary, you must follow up with step 4, anchor. You need a repeated physical habit to create lasting neuroplastic change in the brain. Choose a daily anchor for your statements. You might use a gratitude journal each morning, or practice mirror work, a technique pioneered by Louise Hay, where you speak these future truths while looking directly at your reflection. Repeatedly anchoring these emotions strengthens the neural circuits related to optimism. Over time, this shifts your brain's baseline frequency from surviving the present to expecting the future. Finally, step 5 is release. This step addresses the most common hurdle, your brain rejecting the statement because it feels fake or impossible. If you feel resistance, soften the language. Use bridge statements like, "Thank you for the growth that is unfolding," or "Thank you for the opportunities opening up." These phrases allow you to stay future-focused without triggering your inner skeptic. You should also watch for the second glitch, treating your practice like a desperate materialistic wish list. Gripping too tightly to a specific outcome creates a sense of pressure that can actually push your goals away. You can resolve this by focusing on the underlying emotional essence. Instead of demanding a specific object, express thanks for the feeling of freedom or joy. Let go of the how and trust the process. When practiced correctly, future gratitude feels like deep relief. It is the absence of tension that allows you to successfully pull your desired timeline forward. Your gratitude practice has transitioned into a set of precise instructions for the universe. You are now training your focus on what is arriving, rather than what is already here. We are issuing a 7-day challenge. Starting day 1, speak your 3 newly crafted future-focused statements out loud every single morning. During this week, pay close attention to your daily experience. Look for unexpected synchronicities, new ideas, or subtle changes in how much energy you have when you wake up. To explore the deep science and specific manifestation tools behind this method, listen to the full episode 68 of the Vibrations and Manifestations podcast. With a brain wired to expect expansion, the path between your current sense and your future self begins to draw closer. Your timeline is already shifting to meet you.